The fusion of smart city infrastructure, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things technologies have reshaped our daily lives, propelling us towards a future that is not only smarter, but also features endless possibilities. In this episode of Global Vision, we have the honor of hosting Cao Jiannong, Principal of the Research Institute for Artificial Intelligence of Things. Professor Cao will introduce us to the cutting-edge advancements in smart cities, AI, and IoT technologies, revealing their great potential for driving urban growth. Now let's delve into this interview. Professor Cao, thanks for joining us in the show.
Hi, Dan. Thank you for inviting me for joining the show.
Professor Cao, could you please briefly introduce your institute and your research direction?
Yes, our research institute on artificial intelligence of things at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University was established about 2 years ago. It was following the advancement of the IoT technologies and also the combination of AI with the IoT. And this is a multidisciplinary research institute. We have about 40 professors from 20 departments and schools, and our research covered from the underlying technologies like sensing, wireless networking to the platform, like edge computing, cloud computing, and then to the machine learning AI, and then to the top level of focused application areas.
Professor Cao, what's the new trends and the development directions in IoT and AI globally?
And if you look at today's smart cities and also smart transportation, healthcare, and IoT has become the fundamental infrastructure. And then if you look at also the development of the big data, cloud computing, and also artificial intelligence, and then in the whole world, we see the trend of using more and more intelligent processing and decision-making technologies to help further automate the IoT process, and also these IoT systems have been expanded from just collecting data, sharing data, to analyzing and also discovering the knowledge from the data. So globally and AIoT, this is a term especially actually describing the AI applied to IoT. That actually is currently the trend of the IoT technology over the world.
Well, the popularity of ChatGPT has once again drawn people's attention to the development of AI in the world. Why is ChatGPT a big breakthrough in this field, and where does China's AI development stand on the global stage?
ChatGPT is a large language model trained by a huge amount of data available on the internet, and probably later on fine-tuned by different experts. So actually it is an assembly of all human knowledges over the world. I think the breakthrough comes from the such a huge amount of data actually used for training the AI models, and together with advanced AI algorithms like reinforcement learning, so they learn from failures, right, and try and then improve and learn and get more progress like this. I think China actually is among the top most developed countries in terms of artificial intelligence, and over the years, China's investment into research and development into AI have been very, you can say, very much leading in the whole world. China also has invested a lot into developing its own large language models.
The Smart China Expo is held in Chongqing every year, which continuously boosts the integration of the city's digital technology and manufacturing industry. What are the advantages of Chongqing in planning to build a world-class, intelligent, connected, new energy vehicle industry cluster?
I think this is a very good plan, And because Chongqing has several advantages for playing the role. For example, Chongqing recently has developed itself into a center, for example, for manufacturing. I mean, it is in particular intelligent manufacturing, and this is also the trend for the advanced IoT technologies. And I think all the big companies will also consider Chongqing as a very good place to invest and also to develop and deploy their technologies. And also, I think Chongqing has very good, rich nature resources. I mean, in terms of the energy, it's not only electricity, but also other clean energy like the wind and also the gases. So it has a large potential to investigate different, plans of the new energy vehicles.
The trend of digitalization in today's society often relies on big data calculation and analysis. For individuals, how can we ensure data security to protect residents' privacy?
We all know in Europe we have this called GDPR, and also China also push out this own data privacy or data information protection laws. So all of this regulation probably will help prevent the misuse or abuse of the data. On the other hand, the research and development of data protection technologies has always been in advance. Edge computing actually is a very good way for protecting data from being unnecessarily uploaded to central cloud or servers. So the edge computing means what you can put the data close to where the data is produced. So it means it's close to the users. And the user probably, when they own the edge computing systems themselves, they can make sure the data will not be released. And another technology is that to make use of the blockchain. And we all know blockchain actually is a decentralized system, and it guarantees the security and also the traceability of any of the data. So if you want to share the data, and then probably we can develop a blockchain-based data sharing system. Actually, this is a very important topic area, and many of the researchers and industry are doing. And you put the data on the blockchain, and any of the sharing transaction will be recorded, and also the data sharing will be under control and with permissions, and also different kinds of access levels, and all the data can be encrypted, and without the permissions of all the users, the data cannot be released. And I believe there are many more other technologies, especially for encryption and the security technology used for the data sharing, protecting the privacy of the data.